Today, let's crochet a bow, a little mushroom keychain with a bow. You can crochet the bow in your favorite color, and the small decoration below can also be your favorite item. It's simple and cute. Follow me if you like it. Prepare 2 colors of yarn and a 2mm crochet hook. First, crochet the bow starting with a chain stitch. Make 3 chains. Go back to the second chain. Pick up the front loop of the chain on the left side, yarn over and pull through. Pass through the next chain. Yarn over and pull through. There are 3 loops on the hook. Pinch this position and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through. Draw through the loop, yarn over and pull through. Draw through the last loop, yarn over and pull through. Pinch the position of the last loop. Pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through. Draw through the loop, yarn over and pull through. Draw through the last loop, yarn over and pull through. Repeat from here. First pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through. Draw through the loop, yarn over and pull through. Draw through the last loop, yarn over and pull through. Follow this crocheting method until you reach the desired length. Finally, yarn over and pull through directly. 3 loops. Chain 1 and fasten off the yarn. Thread the sewing needle. Hide the yarn tail on the wrong side. Treat the yarn tail on the other side using the same method. Next, tie a bow. Adjust the shape as needed. Crochet the mushroom umbrella with red yarn. Cast on the adjustable magic ring. Chain 1 as the beginning chain. Work 6 single crochets into the ring. Tighten the loop. Join with a slip stitch in the first stitch. Place the yarn tail above the hook. Chain 1 for the second round. Work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Repeat 6 times. This round concludes with 12 stitches. Join with a slip stitch in the first stitch again. For the third round, work 2 single crochets in sequence. In the next stitch, make a single crochet increase. Work 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. Repeat 4 times. Rounds 4 to 5, work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Each round consists of 12 single crochets. Everyone please work 2 rounds on your own. Round 6, pick up the front loop. That is, work the half stitch away from yourself. First work 2 single crochets in sequence. Then make a single crochet decrease. Pick up the half loop, yarn over and pull through. Pick up the next front loop, yarn over, pull through, and draw through 3 loops. Let me demonstrate again. First work 2 single crochets in sequence. Then make another single crochet decrease. Yarn over and draw through 3 loops. Then work 2 more groups on your own. Round 7. Pick up the entire stitch to crochet. First work 1 single crochet, then make a single crochet decrease, pick up the front loop, the one closer to you. Next stitch also the front loop, closer to you, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and draw through 2 loops. That's one group. Let me demonstrate again. 1 single crochet followed by 1 single crochet decrease. Repeat this 4 times in total. Slip stitch into the first stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Hide the yarn tail inside the fabric. The lower part dips inward at this position. Mushroom umbrella completed. Crochet the mushroom stem with white yarn, starting with an adjustable magic ring. Chain 1. Work 6 single crochets in the first round. Pull the loop tight. Join with a slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 1, work 2 single crochets in sequence for the second round. Work a single crochet increase in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern twice. First work 2 single crochets in sequence, then work a single crochet increase. Join with a slip stitch into the first stitch. For rounds 3 to 5, work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Each round consists of 8 single crochets. Everyone work 3 rounds on your own. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Stuff fiber fill inside. Use white yarn to embroider dots on the mushroom cap. Glue the mushroom base onto the mushroom cap. Everyone secure it on your own. Finally attach a keyring ornament you like, and this bow-shaped little mushroom is completed crocheting. Welcome to submit your work in the comments section.